Such fun talks indeed, and I loved the puppet folk stories. What fun! बच्चों को कितने डाइवर्स तरीके से सिखाना कि हमारी हिस्ट्री में क्या है, हमारे कल्चर में क्या है, कितनी ज़बानें बोली जाती हैं, इतने सारे स्टोरीज़ जिनमें सच्चाई है या नहीं है, वो लेजेंड्स हैं, वो मिथ्स हैं, इनको अच्छे तरीके से समझाना, इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना। और आपने देखा कि वी टच्ड अपॉन डिफरेंट रीजन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान एज वेल, एंड यू नो folklores, folk stories, they really are part of our culture and our history in such a big way. So I'm so glad that that was highlighted. And then I hope you guys checked out एक खत तुम्हारे नाम, जहाँ से पाकिस्तान भर से लोगों ने हमें खत लिखे हैं. They've written their thoughts, they've written their तासुरात, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे साथ शेयर की हैं. So that's also been really nice. Just like the Selani, it is filled with different languages that enrich our homeland. और हम अपनी एथनिसिटीज़ और अपने कल्चर और उसकी डाइवर्सिटी के बारे में कम ही बात करते हैं, और बहुत ज़रूरी है कि बच्चों को इन चीज़ों के बारे में एक अर्ली एज से ही पता होना शुरू हो. एंड जबकि दिस वाज प्राइमरीली फोकस्ड ऑन चिल्ड्रन, देयर चिल्ड्रन लाइक मी आउट देयर हु लव लर्निंग ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड देन अप्रिशिएटिंग हाउ डाइवर्स पाकिस्तान रियली ट्रूली इज़. हमारा एक छोटू ऐप भी है, उसमें डिफरेंट गेम लेवल्स हैं जो हमारे डिफरेंट रीजन्स पाकिस्तान के जो हैं उनको डिपिक्ट करता है. साथ ही ओलो टटोलो हमारा मैगज़ीन शो है जिसमें बहुत सारी मज़े की चीज़ें होती हैं, कहानियाँ होती हैं. हिबा मसूद साहिबा हैं, ड्रामा मामा, यू नो, शी इज़ बिन रीडिंग स्टोरीज़ फ्रॉम अ वेरी फन बुक फियरलेस, जिसका नाम है. आमना शेख की वो किताब है जहाँ पे हमारी ख़वातीन को एक्चुअली सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. देयर सो मेनी पर्सनैलिटीज़ highlighted in that book. You must check it out, क्योंकि एक बार फिर diversity, inclusion, women of all ages, from all professions, from all religions, which is actually the essence of Pakistan, जो हमें एक हद तक लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हम खो रहे हैं, until you pick up these books, check out these apps, hear these stories, and you're like, नहीं, पाकिस्तान में ये लोग भी हैं, and they are also doing some fantastic work. So you can check it out some more, but of course, sit down with your children, have a session with them जहाँ पे वो ये चीज़ें सीखें, आपके साथ इंटरेक्ट करें, उनके पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री के बारे में, अपने कल्चर के बारे में, हमारी डाइवर्स जो एक रेंज है ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस, ड्रेसेस, फूड, कल्चर, प्रोफेशंस, उन सब के बारे में हमारे बच्चों को, बड़ों को, सबको कुछ ना कुछ अंदाज़ा ज़रूर हो. If you want to find out more details on our apps and events, please, valvirtual.pk is where you should go. And you can find out all these details and sit with your children and your families and learn more and more about the history, the diversity, the traditions of Pakistan in a very enjoyable, light-hearted manner. So इन stories को ज़रूर enjoy कीजिएगा and check them out as soon as you possibly can. So you must make it a point to also check out the workshops happening tomorrow. जल्दी से मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि वो कौन से workshops हैं. One of them that I'm really looking forward to one more time is called Beautiful Unique Faces, and it's a workshop on body positivity. Again, the need of the hour, the call of the hour. बहुत सारे लोग, especially हमारे माशरे में, इन चीज़ों के बारे में बहुत ही आराम से बात करते हैं. Casually, you know, लोगों की body के बारे में, उनकी physicality के बारे में, उनके चेहरे के बारे में, उनके रंग के बारे में, उनके बालों के बारे में, हाथों के बारे में, they all have an opinion. And this is something that now women are beginning to realize is not okay. It doesn't make you feel good. You're not going to be categorized and put into a box because of the way you look or because of the way you choose to be and the way you choose to keep your hair or the clothes that you wear. So body shaming is definitely a topic which is very close to all our hearts, especially in societies like ours where we are constantly checked for our choices in terms of our dressing and in terms of the way we choose to keep our bodies. Health is important, everything is in place, but body shaming is never appreciated. So this is going to be amazing. So please join us for that workshop and sign in. Sath hi sath, there's going to be another session which is going to be on combating imposter syndrome. Again, something very relevant and interesting. The higher up you go in terms of your work, your career, your life, your finances, somehow or the other, society makes you feel a little insecure about who you are and where you are. It's something so funny, because recently there was a friend of mine who had a very big promotion in her workplace. हम सब गए dinner पे, and you were like, this is amazing, we're going to be celebrating your promotion. And one of the boys at the dinner just happened to say, अब तुम्हारी शादी कैसे होगी, you're so qualified. And at that time we all had a laugh, but I understand the insecurities for a woman that come with success in this country. You're considered too independent, too open-minded, things like that. So this is something that happens very subconsciously. Then we start pulling ourselves down. We do a lot of self-negative talk. And this apparently happens not just in Pakistan, but to women across the world. So this is, again, an absolutely relevant topic. And if you want to learn how to deal with it, you must join us for this particular session. And then there's also one workshop on self-defense for children. So spots are limited. You have to sign up to reserve a spot right about now. And बच्चों की self-defense, once again, is very, very important. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत bullying भी आ जाता है, थोड़ी बहुत protection भी आ जाती है, considering that children are very vulnerable targets for a lot of people across the globe. They're vulnerable, they're young, they're confused, and they're very easily impressionable. तो उस वक्त उनका ख्याल रखना, उनको आगाह करना, उनको वो एजुकेशन, वो एक्सपोजर देना कि वो अपने आप का, अपने दोस्तों का, अपनी फिजिकलिटी का किस तरीके से ख्याल रखें, that is of utmost essence. So yeah, lots of interesting topics, and I know I keep saying this is so interesting, this is so relevant, but if I may be honest, it is interesting and it is very relevant. So don't forget to check these out. Meanwhile, I hope you're sending in pictures of your wow star, which is an affirmation that every woman has the right to write her own story, that every woman has the space and the freedom to grow the way she would like to grow and to carve her own path in this life. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त सा मज़े का कैंपेन है, मूवमेंट है. This is my wow star. You can see it on my palm right now. उर्दू में एक वाव है, उसके ऊपर एक स्टार है. And if you share this particular picture of your palm on our social media platforms, do not forget to use the hashtag #WeAreWow. अब इससे होगा क्या? First things first, we are hoping to make a digital mural with pictures coming in, representation from all over Pakistan and across the world, since it's online. And secondly, once you put this picture out there with the hashtag saying "We Are Wow," I think women from around the world will feel this support system standing up together and saying that together we are wow. I'm here to support your dreams. I'm here to help you carve your path in this world, to find yourself, to find your true purpose. And it's okay to do whatever it is that you want to do. Never shy away from what you are meant to do in this world or what you think you should be doing. So I think this just creates a support system. And it's so amazing to just hear and understand that when you have a dream, which can be very, very challenging, and when you have things in the middle that come between you and your dream, just realizing that you're not the only one who's been here, you're not the only one who will be here, and you're not the only one who's not being able to overcome it, but will eventually overcome it. There's so many people in this struggle together. It gives you faith, and it reaffirms your faith in the fact that things will get better, and even as a woman in this world, you will have the space and the time to grow and be who you truly want to be. From all over Pakistan, we have women-led and women-run businesses featured in our WOW Marketplace. This is one of my favorite places. Every time I've attended the WOW Festival, I have ended up buying some really amazing things. Some of them that have actually changed the way I live my life. Lifestyle-oriented सामान है हमारे पास, बहुत सारी fashion के लिहाज से. There are people who are writing, there are people who are making jewelry, there are people who are baking goods, they're making food. And as we discussed earlier, businesses have suffered greatly because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic. Many educated, many qualified people have lost their jobs. Some still have their jobs, but their businesses are not churning enough. And they've had to turn to alternate businesses. छोटे businesses शुरू हुए, घर से businesses शुरू हुए, माँ बेटी ने मिलके businesses शुरू किए, and आपने और मैंने उनको support किया और support करते रहना चाहिए. और वाव के ज़रिए उनको एक बहुत ही अच्छा platform मिला है, जहाँ पे वो वाकई में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें बनाते हैं. So do check out the WOW Marketplace for some really interesting amazing things. And don't only shop for yourself, have a big heart and shop for all those around you. अपनी अम्मा के लिए कुछ, अपनी बहनों के लिए कुछ bags. Friends who are outside the country, they love, by the way. So every time WOW happens, a lot of my friends are like, can you bring me this? Can you bring me that? And why not? It's such a fun, perfect representation of Pakistani women-led businesses and single women who are running businesses, women who are single parents, unke businesses, all these people who struggle on a regular basis to make it perhaps really big. We can sustain them and keep them going and get our hands onto some really, really valuable things. So please do check out, once again, our women-run businesses. They are featured in our WOW marketplace. And if you are a shopaholic like me, this is the place for you. तो एक बार फिर मैं आप तमाम लोगों को याद दिलाते चलूँ कि obviously these festivals for years have been happening on a one-on-one basis. You know, you get to come out of your houses, you get to a venue, you meet people, there are question-answer sessions and this and that. But as COVID-19 has taken over the world, interacting on that level has become quite difficult, nearly impossible. And we should keep ourselves safe so we can keep ourselves healthy. And then once we overcome this, inshallah, things will return to normal. But for now, the new normal is to find us online, to find everything online, actually. So we are also online, and we are on all online platforms. So you don't have to miss any session, any workshop, any talk that you may be interested. अब कहाँ आप हमें पकड़ सकते हैं online? जल्दी से मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सबसे पहले तो the name of the festival is WOW Virtual Pakistan 2021. So even if you Google it, I'm sure lots of things are going to crop up. साथ ही साथ we are on YouTube on WOW Pakistan Virtual, and on Instagram you can find us on wow.pakistan, and our Facebook event page is WOW Virtual PK 2021. Festival app हमारा है wowvirtual.pk. And then we have a fantastic children's app, which I think perhaps is my favorite, and I'm going to get it too, because there's a child in each and every one of us. That app is called Chotu, with 2 H's. And then there's a letters app, Ek Khat Tumhare Naam. So why don't you participate and write in a letter as well, so people from around the world can read it. And this is so much fun to just be available everywhere. You have access to us, you have access to your screens and to your phones. तो बहुत ही आसानी से आप हमसे रास्ते में रह सकते हैं. And you can meet us online wherever you are. So start registering yourselves, start joining us, learn a thing or two, plan a WOW date with your favorite girlfriends, other friends, and sit down and see a few sessions together. Participate with us. And I know it's becoming easier and easier to do these things online, because I have myself hosted a few webinars and seminars and shows online, and it's worked out okay. Where we lose out on meeting each other physically on a one-on-one, we win because we cater to a much wider audience across the world. So whether you're a Pakistani woman, man, or not, wherever you are, there's something for everybody out there. So you can learn more about our own diverse culture, ethnicity, our food, our clothing, and also discuss topics that are very relevant world over, including topics like we talked about meditation, first thing in the morning, then we also spoke about body shaming, etc., etc. So there's something for everybody. So join us on the social media platforms. Once again, wowvirtual.pk is the festival app. Instagram is wow.pakistan, YouTube Wow Pakistan Virtual, Facebook event page Wow Virtual PK 2021. Catch us.